Hell yeah. Land him. Fuck yeah. Don't let him go back in. Yeah, Peen. You got him? Yeah, boy. Good shit.
You got fire?
Nope. Damn, look at his teeth.
Yeah. I'm gonna touch it.
Watch out. Hell yeah.
He came right up to this bed and was trying to steal something, and then he fucking launched my drone. I hope he snaps me off.
Grab him to get a picture with him.
Grab him?
Yeah. Just grab him by the middle.
That looks sketchy as hell.
Dude, gotta get a
Dude,
picture.
those are some fucking teeth.
Is he out?
Yep.
See you, buddy.
There's people.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, keep your own away. Oh, something has you. There. Oh, you have it. You have something. Oh, the peacock had it. Yep, you got something. It's so long.
Get out of there. Dude. Its teeth are on the leaf.
Teeth are on the fucking...
Oh my god. Thrash a little bit.
You fucking bit the fucking lily pad.
I think my hook's in it too.
You just have him by the hook, so I don't think he should snap you.
Come on. Yes. Fuck yeah. Boom, baby. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. No. It's not small. Dude, it's gotta be a peacock or a clown or a fucking snakehead or something. Fuck! Fuck! Damn it! Fuck! 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 Oh!
He just...
Fuck!
Run through your hook.
Just popped it.
Are you even seeing them all?
No. Actually, the largemouth bit like right there. But the other one was just out there. Fuck! Oh!
Probably a clown if there's there too.
Dude, that thing was running. Fuck, dude. That's a fucking nice one.
Let's go!
That a boy. Hold that pup.
It's a fucking male too.
Good shit. Let me see it, let me see it. Yeah. Let me get some portraits. Beaut. Probably about a 3. Maybe more, probably 4. He was shaking. Good shit.
Fuck yeah!
Hell yeah.
You wanna get an underwater?
Yeah. I'll get it.
You got it?
Yeah.
I saw he bit once and then he came back for another one.
valve. He might be a stud. Okay. So he wants to run, just dip that rod even, you know, so he doesn't break you off. Okay. All right, this has been a long time coming, guys. We've hooked like 20 today. No, they're breaking off.
It's a shark.
It's a nurse shark?
Yeah.
Okay. Better yet. Oh yeah, the nurse shark.
Damn.
The nurse shark.
Nice.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with them?
There goes the little teeth. Look at that tail on that thing. That thing weighs about 60 pounds.
Yeah.
These are like little,
Whiskers, yeah.
How about that?
Their teeth are weird.
He's in.
Well, we're gonna let him go. We're gonna let him go. We're not gonna kill it. I'm just gonna cut all the rod off of him. Oh God.
I'm down.
The question is, how am I gonna get him back out of the boat? But I'm just gonna cut.
Then the hook and stuff's back here by his tail.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I see it. Okay, boy, look at this thing. It's all right. Okay, that's all right, that's all right. Okay, what I need to do here is, first of all, give me those red handle pliers from up there. That's it, just keep cutting. That's it, just keep cutting. Right along the hook. Okay, it should almost go. Push it in and push it and here, that's it. See it?
Got it?
Almost. Go over for a second. Just look on it. Yep. Okay. And what I'm going to do is, you know, I think that's pretty good still, but all right. Let me see. I'm gonna just try and fucking yank this fucker out. All right. I think the point.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh my
thank
God.
You don't want to mount?
Yeah, but first of all,
Clean that.
thank you, gentlemen.
Yes.
Okay. That's it. Take your time. Take your time. Beautiful. Good job, man. Oh, nice. He didn't know he was up.
Yeah.
Nice. God darn it. He doesn't really. Take your time. You're gonna whip him like a largemouth cow.
Yeah, right. Maybe.
So we'll just take your time. That's it's like a nice muskie. You guys get muskies where you fish?
Yeah, there's muskies around. I've never caught one though.
He's the equivalent of a Florida muskie. See how that one hook is dangling out?
Uh-huh.
See the front hook got him.
Uh-huh.
But the back hook's dangling out. If he lunges, he
Yeah.
can put that hook through my hand. Here we go.
There you go.
Nice, Captain.
Okay, we're going to measure him. He's 42 inches. Beautiful. Look at his teeth.
Yeah.
Okay.